Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm your girl Prestige P, and in today's look and video I'm not going to be doing a makeup tutorial today, but I did create this look for you guys, so make sure you check it out. But I just want to come on here to show you guys how to properly put on your lashes, especially my lashes, which is from my hair company PrestigeHumanHair.com. I provide wigs, frontal closure extension, and mink lashes. So in today's video I'm going to show you how I create it. I'm going to show you and tell you about my lashes and the way how it is, the box that is going to come into when you buy my lashes, and also where to get them. So make sure you subscribe before we start this video and turn on your bell, because I do upload Monday through Friday. Okay guys, so this is one of the lashes. This one is called Spice. This is a very dramatic. You have to be very bold to wear this. And I just wanted to show you guys the box. This is a velvet box. Very nice and velvety. I never see a company have a velvet box, so I just want to be different. So I told my vendors to create me a velvet box, very soft and nice. And then you have the name, which is Prestige Mink Lashes, and then the name of the lash is on the other side. So when you open it, it's a soft close. You tap it and it closes by itself, and it also have a clear plastic so that you can see the lashes. So when you open it up, it has the gold inside, and it also have a little string that you pull and the box will automatically come out. And then when you finish with your lashes, you could go ahead and pop it back in and close it. So this is one of the boxes. All the boxes are the same, but this one is Spice. The other one is Independent, which is a really simple lashes. I create this lash for someone who is not really into lashes, or someone who is scared of wearing lashes and wants something really simple but cute. Now the other one is called Fluffy. This one is so nice. You guys always see me wear this one because I really love it, and it's really fluffy. This is the one I will be putting on today and show you guys how I properly put it on, but this is my favorite of all, Fluffy. The next one is Damn Girl. This one is similar to Spice, but this one is more spaced out. Spice is more close off. As you can see, have different spaces in it, some short, some are longer than the others, but this one is very damn girl. That's the reason why I call it Damn Girl, because you have to be bold to wear this one, and also you have to be bold to wear Spice. So these lashes, or vice versa, you can wear it if you want to go out on a party, you want to be dramatic, you want to be simple. I have all the lashes for you. The other one is called Island Gal, and I create this look because, you know, I'm from the island and I just want to create something just to represent myself. This one is similar to Independent, but it's more fluffier and thicker, so you can wear it. So now I'm going to go ahead and put on Fluffy. You can go ahead and use a lash tweezer like this one here, or you could go ahead and use this regular tweezer. I prefer to use this one, but either one works as long as you know how to put it on properly. So I'm going to be using this tweezer here, and then first I'm going to go ahead and do my mascara. I normally do my mascara before I put on my lashes. So the mascara that I'll be using is the Maybelline mascara, and I really like this one because it's really dark and it keeps my lashes up. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and take my lashes out, and you want to take it with your tweezer or whatever of your choice. Open it up and take it out with the band. So the band kind of pull it together, and this is the way how it is. And what you want to do is do not take from the center. Do not pull it from the center, because it will take some of the lashes out. Pull it from the side. So you want to take your time and pull it from this side, and then go ahead and pull it from the other side and slowly pull it out. So when you pull it out, this is the way how it is. I'm going to come up close and personally show you guys how it is. So when you put on your lashes, you have to measure the mink lashes and your own lashes together because sometimes it's longer, so you have to go ahead and measure it. So what I do, I take it before I put the glue on, and then I just measure to see where I need to cut. So I just have to cut a little bit like this right here on the side. You can see that it's really long over here. So do not cut from the front because the front is shorter, and when it gradually go down it get longer. So cut from here at the side, which I'm going to do. And also with these lashes, if you're not used to lashes, go ahead, you know, this one is the right side of your eyes and this one is the left. So the right side of your eye, you can definitely go ahead and see that it is shorter right at the tip and it get longer as it go down. So you will know which one to come here and which one to go there. So the shorter side goes here and the longer side goes at the end. So I'm going to cut a little piece off, and I'm going to take my scissors and just cut it a little bit, just like that. So the glue that I use is the Super Flex glue. I got this from the beauty supply store, but don't worry, something is coming up really soon, so stay tuned for that. But this is the lash glue that I use. I love to use the black one because I just prefer the black one instead of the white one. So you're gonna go ahead and take it out, and I like to hold my lash like this when I'm putting it on. So I'm gonna take a little bit of glue, and do not put too much glue, just slowly put it on, just like that, because if you do put a lot of glue, it will kind of clump up and you will see the glue when you put it on. So take your time and put on, you know, generous amount but not too much. So you're gonna wait for like 10 to 15 seconds, or if you like, which I do not recommend, if you're doing it on yourself, go ahead and do it. But if you're doing it with another person, a client, do not blow on it, just go like this, or let it sit for 10 to 15 seconds. But if you're doing it on yourself, you could blow on it, it's fine. You're putting it on yourself, it's no problem. So before I put this on and before it's dry, I normally go and just put my own lashes down because I do have like fluffy lash. So if your lash is not like fluffy and curved, you don't have to do this, but because I know that my lashes is fluff up, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. Then I'm going to take my lashes at the tip right here and have your mirror very close to you. Look down and make sure you put it really close to your lash line. And I like to start at the outer and just squeeze both my lashes and the falsie together, and then I go to the side. So after it's done, you can see the complete difference. Sometimes I normally use my curlers, which is this one right here, and when it's completely dry, when I know it's completely dry, I just curl it up just a little bit more. But if it's already curled to your liking, you can leave it like this. But sometimes I like to curve it up a little bit more, so you can use a tweezer if you want. So now that it's on and it is completely done, and you can see the difference. Now I'm going to go ahead and put the other one on. Okay guys, so now that I properly show you how to put on my lashes, you could go ahead and click that link down below so you can purchase from me. And this is the way how the lashes will be coming, very velvety and nice. You will not be disappointed at all. Turn on your camera and we're gonna do this together. Okay, we're gonna do this together, and you can definitely put on your lashes at home. It's simple and nice, and all of my lashes you can wear up to 25 times. So when you're finished, go ahead and put it right back into this slot right here. But in another video, I'm going to show you how to properly clean your lashes, because a lot of people do not know how to properly clean your lashes and put them back up so that you could wear it over and over again. So the next video, I'll be showing you how to properly clean your lashes and to put them back in, and you can wear it over and over again. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe before you go. Turn on your bell because I do upload Monday through Friday. Make sure you follow me on Instagram because that's the first place I post before YouTube. So make sure you are following me on Instagram. Everything will be down below in the description box. And yeah, thank you guys for subscribing to me. Thank you for supporting me, and I will see you again in my next